It is officially summer. We want makeup that's quick and easy, and there's nothing better really than a cream eyeshadow. But I want to give you some tips on how to apply it. Do not powder your eyelids. This is going to glide so quickly if there's no powder on your lid. I apply the shadow closest to my lashes, blend that in, and I'm going to focus it closest to the lashes before bringing it up to give that ombre effect. If you want it to be less harsh here, take what's ever left on your finger and bring it up into the crease. Can you see how by doing that, it opens the eye, whereas this eye looks more closed? Do you see the difference? I'm gonna add a bit to the lower lash line using an angled brush. And then you can use the warmth of your finger to just blend that out and make it look a little bit more natural. Use your concealer brush to clean up anything that may have come down a little bit too far. I would just curl my lashes and call it a day. I don't mind a messy look. I kind of think it's sexy, but you can take a little bit of eyeshadow on a flat brush, pat it right at the lash line, bringing the remnants up into the crease. I'm gonna set that cream shadow so that it doesn't move for the rest of the day.